There's a lot of areas in Illinois where we could use some federally funded projects, but $10 million here, $1 million there, $100 million there, it only goes so far. If we drive up the costs, we're going to be able to get fewer projects done, thereby harming our constituents. Are you concerned about the impact this legislation could have on that issue?
Senator Belt.
Thank you for the question, Senator. But I really don't think that's the issue. Other states are currently doing it. Missouri Department of Transportation right now implements this. Minnesota, California, and Washington are among 3 other states that right now implement this.
So what this bill does is it makes it more expensive for the federal government to invest in Illinois. Therefore, they're going to invest in other states where their dollar stretches further, where they can get more road projects done for the same amount of money, where they can get more bridges built for the same amount of money. We're living in a state that personifies in real time how the economy falls backwards and jobs disappear when it's more expensive to do business.
This legislation really is about fairness. It's about fairness to your neighbors, the people who live in your communities, about getting the fair wage that they deserve.